I'm Gloria Samuels, and I'm representing ESR from Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and you are?
Rebecca Bender. I also represent ESR, Experiment in Self-Reliance.
Yeah, and so for all of the sessions that we've encountered for Friday and Saturday, we've learned so much, we've gained so much as board members, just knowing our value, what we're supposed to add to those entities that we serve on. And today, I found Mr. Gravely's information to be so pertinent to just the weight that we carry, And so I would definitely say to anybody that has any questions about benefiting from this, definitely you want to have him to come in and consult. It was very wise, and we were able to interject and learn from each other, but it was really, really, really good.
So this is the second session that I've had with Mr. Gravely. He was at our convention.
Yeah, he was at our first one
last year, and just the depth of knowledge that he has about board governance and how to deal with keeping up to date with your responsibilities as board members, staying on top of the bylaws, governance. Very insightful, and a lot of real-world experience that he brings to the room.
Yeah. So it was very good and very enlightening, and I recommend it for anybody that wants to strengthen and excel your entity. All right. Thank you for the opportunity.